Hi everyone, in this lesson we're going to learn how to use a multiplication square to do the 3 times tables. First of all, let's look at a 100 square to see how a multiplication square is made. We're going to quickly count in threes on the 100 square, starting off with 3. Now if we skip count on 3 more, we're going to land on 6, and then 9. Skip counting in threes, we're going to land on 12. 15, 18, you might be able to count with me, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36 and 39. We'll stop there because what we're going to do is we're going to take those numbers from the 100 square and we're going to put them into our multiplication square. And that's where the numbers on a multiplication square come from. We can either use the multiplication square to skip count easily, or we can use it to do our division and multiplication tables. Let's look a little bit closer to see how. So we're going to focus on this half of the multiplication square. Today we're going to focus on multiplication. So what we say is 1 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3. We can say 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. So if I skip count 2 times, I'm going to land on 6. 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. If I skip 3 times, I'll land on 9. 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 15. So if I skip count 5 times, I'm going to land on 15. 6 multiplied by 3 is equal to 18. 7 multiplied by 3 is equal to 21. 8 multiplied by 3 is equal to 24. 9 multiplied by 3 equals 27. If I skip count in threes 9 times, I'm going to land on 27. 10 multiplied by 3 is equal to 30. 11 multiplied by 3 is equal to 33. 12 multiplied by 3 is equal to 36. And finally, 13 multiplied by 3 is equal to 39. If I skip count in threes 13 times, I'm going to land on 39. Well done! You've learned how to use the times and division multiplication square. See you in the next video! Thank you for watching. Please click like, subscribe and click the notification bell.